Hey there, what's up? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to Icris Studio. And in the previous video, we have discussed about an AI agent that can remember past conversation and can interact with us based on our previous interaction with the AI. So it was a cool project, but there were some limitation as well. As the conversation increases and increases, then the AI struggles to manage the conversation history. As a result, the processing speed of the AI agent goes on decreasing, which was the main problem of that agent. Like, we are storing all the conversation history and we are feeding it to the AI. It's like feeding a book to a AI and then extracting a sentence from that book. Technically, if you think about it, then when we feed a book to the AI, then it will like have to read through all the pages and all the paragraph, and then it will answer that, which will take a lot of time. So similarly, that concept was applied to conversational memory agent. But to overcome this problem, I have created a new AI agent that is way more faster and way more accurate than this. So I'm going to give you a quick demo and I'm going to explain you how all the thing works on this agent. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. All right. So this is my code and it's called limitless agent because there's no limit. It can store large amount of data and it can like process large amount of data. Okay. So at first I'm going to show you a demo of how everything works and then I'm going to explain you the backend part. Okay. So now let me just run this file and at first it will initialize all the model. All right. So now it's like a child right now. So we gotta feed some data to this agent. So let me feed some dummy data to the agent and I'll get back to you. All right. There we go. Now I have fed some basic data to the agent. So now let me delete this. Let me restart the conversation. Okay. So now let me run this file again and let's see if it actually remembers the conversation or not. So now here, let me write hello. Then, all right. So there you can see there's nothing right over here. Like I have told my name in the previous conversation, but there's nothing over here. So let me ask, what's my name? And there we go. We got our name. It's John. So let me ask more. You are 20 years old. Okay, that's correct. And okay, team of 11 people working together. Okay, that's pretty cool. I have told 10 people, so it just count me also. Okay. So and now let's ask other question. What am I learning right now? There we go. Learning Next.js and React.js. So it's more accurate. And now let me show you how the backend works. Okay. All right. So this is the backend of our advanced agent. First, it will take some query from user. Then it will save the conversation in ChromaDB, a module in Python, and it will use semantic memory to store the conversation. And if the conversation is there, then it will retype relevant context and then it will generate the response from the AI with better understanding. And then it will return the response and it also save the response in the database for future use. Okay. So what just happened over here is when I write hello, then it's a new model. So it's a new model that is responding to my answer. Hi there, how can I assist you today? Okay. It's a new model. So when I ask about my name, then I just go towards the database and look if there's any um, data related to my name. Then if it found something like that, then it will return like it will retrieve some conversation at that point at that particular place where I have told about my name. Then it will retrieve the relevant context from that and then it will send it towards the AI, this new model, and this new model will understand that text and it will generate a new response that will be displayed towards this place. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, so now here I'm asking how old am I, then it is now it is just goes towards the database and it will search if there's user as mentioned previously or not. If it is, then it will return me that response. Okay, that's how it works. So in the previous version, we have like fed the whole conversation to the AI. So that's why it was working too slowly. But here we are going to like we are retrieving the relevant conversation only, and then we are feeding it to the AI, which make it like more accurate and its speed is quite faster as well. So this is the limitless agent that I have. So you can like feed numbers of data to that, and if you ask it after like a year or something, then it will still answer all the question. Okay. So I have used semantic memory search for this project, and it was like a lot of fun creating this project, and it's one of the coolest thing I have ever created. Okay, so in case if you want to try this AI, like it's very useful for business organization and like any other individual, any other learners. It is like very cool project to work on. So if you want to have access to the code, then you can check our website. Okay, so you can check our buy me a coffee page. I'll put the link in the description. You can visit this page, and here if you are a member, which is like $5 per month, then you will get the source code for free. Okay, so this one I'll update the code with a new one so that you will get it for free if you are a member. But if you are not a member, if you don't want to purchase the membership, then you can go with $10. Okay, it's 9.9 and basically $10. Okay, you can go with that price, and if you purchase membership, then you will get some huge discount on other product as well, and you will get some there are some free products like this sharp source code and this conversational memory agent. So it really depends upon you. And yeah, that's it. That's the agent that I have created, and it's more useful and it's more accurate than this previous one. So if you want to know more about this, then you can read all the description. I have like added everything over there. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.